Good morning. Welcome to the garage again. So I figured out another little trick for my camera mounts. I got the simple wall mount and half-inch black pipe again. I had a bunch of different sizes, fittings, whatever, I don't know. I just ordered them up. I made something like this. And what I'm going to do is attach this up into my ceiling so I can get a overhead shot, move my camera around wherever I want, and it's sturdy and it ain't gonna break. So let me show you real quick. I got one up above my door here with my handlebar mount on there, and that's it. So I can now put my camera up there and shoot into the garage and show you everything I'm doing, which is should work out pretty good. I'm hoping. I mean, I'll let you know, but let me show you this one again. This one I'm actually going to put up here in the ceiling so I can get an overhead shot or down the garage as well. But yeah, simple, easy, cheap camera mounts. That's about it for tips and tricks today, kids. Have a good one. Thanks for coming by. So I changed up my roof mount a little. I have a cross. So the cross lets me go both ways on the ceiling because my little mount does not want to rotate for lengthwise garage shots. So I can go both ways. I put another piece here and shoot the workbench. And yeah, I'm going to try that. We'll see how that works.